Hi, this is Scott Dudley, and in this video I wanted to just briefly show you what I've set up for my own business, just to give you an idea of what's really possible, and also just to demonstrate that I know what I'm doing and that you can trust me with your data to do a great job. So quickly, this is Google BigQuery, and inside of Google BigQuery I have connected Google Analytics, so each day that brings through a new file of the previous day's GA information. I've also connected Google Search Console in here, and I've also connected my YouTube channel as well. So if we then go over here to the scheduled queries, these are the 4 scheduled queries that run on autopilot every day, and these actually send the data over to Looker Studio, which we'll look at in a sec. But if we have a look at this one just quickly, daily users. So these are all of the updates that have run each day. And then if we go over here to edit, you'll see that I've written this big, huge, long query here, which can be reused. And it provides me with all of the information I need for the daily users for my reports. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of what I've set up inside of the Google Cloud. And then if we go over to Looker Studio, this is the dashboard that I've built for my own business, which shows all the page views and all the other bits of information on the website. All right, so up the top here, we've got all of these filters set up for country, for city, for region, for the device, and also for the date range. So whatever I choose up here with these filters, it will filter all the information underneath based on these filters. All right, so we've got source, medium, breakdown of traffic. We've got top user channels. We've got top content groups. What are the most popular pages? What days get the most traffic? What hours get the most traffic? What's my average page speed? And this doesn't come through automatically from Google Analytics. This has got a bit of pre-set up events in GA that specially provide this information. What locations is my traffic coming from? So a bit of geographical information. And then I've broken it down to country, region, city, page views and users. All right, and then I've got this other one here for conversions. So this is similar to the previous page. I haven't actually had any conversions on the website recently, which is why it's showing at 0. But this breaks it down by conversions only. And then we've got users, which was the query that I just showed you inside of BigQuery before. So we've got new users, we've got users, and we've got conversions here. Okay, so we've got these scorecards and then the trends underneath. What operating system are people using? What browser are people using? What device are people using? What ages are people on my website? What gender are people on my website? What language do users speak on my website? Again, what locations is my traffic coming from? And then this one here is keyword information. This is from Google Search Console. So this is showing, once again, we've got filters up the top here for query, for landing page, for country, for device, and again for the date range. And then we've got clicks and impressions. So obviously an impression is when somebody actually sees your website in the search results, and then the click is when they actually click on it. All right, so we've got once again these scorecards down the bottom here, and then it's showing all of the queries and the clicks, the average position, and the click-through rate. And then underneath, top Google search keywords by click. So this one is showing here the query. Some of these have come up as null, but it's showing the search query, and then it's showing the landing page where it has sent or where it's going to send the person if they click. So lots of great information there for Google Search Console and keywords. And then over here for videos, this is all information about my YouTube channel. Okay, so we can search by video title, by country code, and also with the date range. So I've split this down between total watch time, average watch time, the views, the number of views, and then also new subscribers. And then under here there is a YouTube videos detailed breakdown. So this is per video. So this is showing me which videos have had the most average watch time, total watch time, average view percentage, views, likes and comments. So currently got 19 videos on the YouTube channel, but as this grows then there'll be lots more information in here. So this is just a very quick overview of what I've set up for my own website. And then if we go into the back end of Looker Studio and we go over to resource and manage added data sources, then you'll see that these are where those scheduled queries that I showed you inside of BigQuery, it's sending this information here on a daily basis, daily users, daily page load, daily pages, daily conversions, and so on and so forth. So the information gets sent into BigQuery. BigQuery processes those queries that I showed you, and then it's set up as a scheduled query each day to send fresh updated information into Looker Studio, and then the Looker Studio reports that I've just shown you is pulling the information from these data sources. All right, and then just finally on top of that, if you go to the homepage of my website, scottdudley.com, you'll see that I've also completed all of these certifications. Spent a lot of money, spent a lot of time updating my skills, making sure that I'm really at the top of my game. This one here is the most recent one that I've done, which is probably worth pointing out as well. This is the Looker Studio Masterclass, where I got a score of 185 out of 200, and this one was really difficult to pass. So we've got that. And then of course as well, just to further show off my knowledge, we've got the recent blog posts. So I've been writing a whole lot of tutorials to do with Looker Studio, GA4, Google Tag Manager, and there's quite a lot of these in here. And there's also YouTube videos as well on my YouTube channel. And these posts go into a lot of detail. So not only have we got the video, but we've also got text-based instructions with screenshots making it obvious of exactly what you need to do. So anyway, hopefully that gives you a bit of an indication of what I can do, what's possible, and of my capabilities. And if you'd like to discuss this further, then just let me know. Look forward to talking with you. Thanks.